Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. App Manager 3 installed, storage permission granted, and your primary account signed in so settings persist. Once done, open the app and tap Settings, then advance to Enable Developer Toggles. This unlocks the configuration panels you need. Now, create a new workspace from the home screen and name it for the project you'll manage. Make sure to enable Backup Sync so you can revert changes if anything goes wrong later in the process. Next, configure the workflows that control app behavior. Start by creating templates for import, update, and deploy tasks. Templates save time and ensure consistency. Once templates exist, map permissions for admin, editor, and viewer roles so actions are restricted appropriately. Then schedule automated tasks with clear retry counts and time windows. Automation reduces manual intervention. As you map each step, test it with a small dataset to verify sequencing. If tests pass, promote the workflow to staging and monitor logs to validate execution. To finish, run a full deployment during a maintenance window and monitor progress in real time using the Activity Console. Validate outputs against expected results and perform a rollback using the backup if discrepancies appear. Make sure to document the final configuration and notify stakeholders. If something goes wrong, check logs immediately for common 409 conflict or 500 server errors. These indicate permission or data format mismatches. Resolve by reverting the last change, fixing the template, and redeploying after a quick retest to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.